What's up, everybody? My name is Benny. I'm with STP Diesel, and today we're gonna be doing a quick little video and install of the Banks pedal monster. So for a long time now, we've heard about the pedal monsters and pedal foolers and what have you. I've never really been a big believer in them, but I've been back and forth with Banks, with their reps and customers' feedback on what they feel, and they can't stop bragging about it. So I said, you know what, I want to try it on my personal truck. That way, with more confidence, I can feel more comfortable selling this to our customers or talking about it, right? I love a good conversation. So in here we have the Banks pedal monster kit, and then I also got the controller, the iDash monitor here. This lets us adjust the level of the pedal monster. It's got city, it's got sport, and I think it even has a more aggressive setting, I think race or something like that. So in this box here, we have the pedal monster. This right here connects right at your gas pedal down there by the OBD. And then this one over here is the iDash monitor. This is where we get to monitor all of the fun stuff and control the settings of the pedal for the more aggressive feel and sport feel and whatnot. I'm pretty excited about this. I love trying out new things. I'm not afraid of trying things out on our personal vehicles because that's how we get the most feedback to you, the customer or the guy that's interested in trying this. So I can't wait to do it. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, this is stock level, and I can do this while I'm driving. Start turning it up. This is your city, right? This is what I would probably say something closer to everyday driving, but if you're like me with a heavy foot and likes to feel the power, yeah. So we're gonna go to the next one is sport. My personal best right now is probably around this range from here to the top, and then after the sport mode, you go to track, and this is where she gets really throaty on the tip end of the throttle. So, and this is all while you're driving. You obviously don't want to have your foot on the pedal while you're switching this, just for safety reasons. Just let off the pedal and then change your settings, and then just keep on going the way that you're going. So pretty easy to use. It was pretty easy to install, and man, she feels good. She feels really good. I like it. I love it. So we just got done doing the pedal install, and we have our iDash from Banks as well. As you can tell, I don't know if you can see it from the screen here, but we have it on sport mode, about all the way up in sport mode. What other way to have it? And just from pulling out of the shop and giving it, it is a head jerker. She really wants to be released. So we're gonna go do some driving with her and see how she feels, and come back to the shop. I actually ended up having to turn it down to like level 5 in sport mode. She was a little too throttle for me in the track mode. So far, good. No more dead pedal as far as from the tip in. She responds really, really well. And the other thing that I did is when I reversed in, I wanted to try it out for myself, is that Banks is the only one that whenever you put it into reverse, it goes back to factory mode. So while you're in drive, it'll stay in whatever mode you put in it. But when you go to reverse, you don't have to worry about getting your head jerk going into reverse, which is amazing for anybody that deals with any trailers or things like that. So that's a plus. Besides that, I got no more dead pedal, and I'm excited for whatever else we do next to our little shop truck, man. Check it out again. Banks Power, Pedal Monster, cold air intakes, exhaust. They got it all, boss. Hit us up, STP Diesel. Give us a call. Anytime, any messages, we're here for you. Thank you.